So moving on to the bank reconciliation statement. So the question reads, you're required to adjust the cash book which we have done and then to prepare the bank reconciliation statement as of 31 December. So you have to write in full, guys. Put the bank reconciliation statement as at 31 December 2021. Right? Because why I'm saying is that December 31 because the question says so. And then the second statement is the bank statement as at that date reflected a debit balance of 1,650. Meaning what? Meaning that this is still a negative balance because the bank is supposed to carry a credit balance and our cash book must carry a debit balance, but because it is a bank overdraft, that's what we're getting. And so the balance as per bank statement is an unfavorable balance as per bank statement. So we have to add these words and then put it in brackets to indicate that it's a negative balance of 1,650, and then item 1 says checks totaling 320 issued during the month of December have not yet been presented for payment. So these are presented checks, so we did that. So the issue here with this question is that since it's a negative balance, we have to, when we're entering it in our calculators, we have to put the negative sign in the calculator, and then we say minus 1,615 minus 320 for us to get negative 1,970, because basic mathematics will say that a negative and a negative will like make a positive. So it's almost like these figures are being added. That's why in as much as we are subtracting, this figure will come up bigger. So that's basic O-level mathematics. And then item 5, which we have left and we said which we're gonna go back to it, says the bank debited a trust check for 570 against the accounting area. So these are the trust checks that we were talking about, and then we'll just put this figure for the 575 here for now. Then the last item was a deposit of 200, a deposit of 200 made on 29 December not being entered on the bank statement. Usually, because bank statements come out at the end of the month, right? They might be outstanding deposits. Why? Because the search of items it was made on the 29th of December. Usually, items made on the 29th of December and items made on the 30th of December or the 31st of December might be left out by the bank because it's towards month end, right? So they wouldn't have gotten the time to record. So NB, this is the order. You can't just start with bank error checks and you put them here. You can't just end with unpresented checks. This is the order. This is how you're supposed to record your entries. Failure to do that, you'll be penalized. So let's just stick to the order. These orders I've given you. This is the standard. This is how it's supposed to be done. I know that there are students that right now want to add outstanding, like this question, right? It started with the trust check, right? But you're not supposed to start with that. You're supposed to start with the outstanding deposits, right? So we also then add the outstanding deposits. So we're just going to say 900 minus 1,970 plus 200 for us to get negative 1,770, and we also say 1,970 1,770. Sorry, negative 1,170 plus 575 to get a negative 1,195. So this amount is almost similar to the cash book figure that we got. So the reason why this was multiplied without balance is because it was just an error on the question paper. But most of the time, this figure, the balance as per cash book, should tell you our balance CD and our balance BD. I hope that's clear. So we also write here unfavorable balance as per cash book. So that's how you do it. And I'll be also expecting to see how you're going to do it when I give you your homework. And I hope to then discuss on Thursday, and I hope it's clear. Where it's not, feel free to ask me, but just stick to this and you won't go wrong. And knowing what is what, you can only know through practicing. That's just the way it is.